So did you know that you can have AI chats in WhatsApp? So yeah, they just introducing these new features, AI chats with Meta AIs. You can ask any question to find out more about topics or try it and settle a debate in your group chat, including getting the perspective from dozens of characters Meta has created. Then there is photorealistic image generation by typing prompt image, just the prompt imagine. AIs also you can generate the idea, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, I didn't know that. However, in my WhatsApp, for some reason, this stuff doesn't work yet. If I try to go and chat, it doesn't work yet. So these features are still being released to limited amount of users. So as you can see, it doesn't generate anything. So yeah, that's the idea. Yeah. But there you have it.